feeling some type of way, you know it's not good. I gave, and I gave, and I tried, oh I tried. But in the end, you said goodbye, while I shattered and cried, turning love and care into a distant fading dream. His love, like a ghost, never built, never seen. If only I could turn back time, rewind each page, repeat each line. But life is not a book, no chapters to read, no wrongs to right. Sometimes I wish it's all gone. I'm weary of this endless pain, a life of suffering, like a wall. Within myself, I do hide. Sometimes silence is better than suffering.